Do you want to learn how to ride a motorcycle? Let's talk about getting it started. I think that's the right key. That is not. That is. So here we go. We have our trusty key. Put it in our ignition, right? And like most things, you just turn the key, bike turns on, but it doesn't start it. Okay, that's one of the major differences between a motorcycle and a car. Simply putting the key in the ignition does not start it. In a car, you just push the brake, turn the key, good to go. Electric cars, you just sit in them, right? On a motorcycle, to get a motorcycle started, we have to put the key in the ignition, and let me turn it back off so you can see it power on. See your displays come up, right? When you see your displays come up, that means your electronics are on. Electronics are on. Is that enough to start the bike? No. Right now, we're in neutral, okay? For purposes of this, we're just going to stay in neutral for right now, and then we're going to work to being in first gear. There are two ways you should stop your bike. The first is going to be in neutral. That's like if you're typically parking in your own garage, no one else has access to it, you might need to move your bike. Park it in neutral, you'll be fine, right? Especially if the ground is flat. But if you are parking on a hill, for example, then you're going to want to park it in first gear. Now, what are the differences? In neutral, the bike will slide by itself, right? But if we were to go to pull in the clutch, go to first gear, the bike does not rock back and forth anymore. So now that the bike's not rocking back and forth anymore, what are we going to do? We're going to try and get the bike started. So we're going to actually start from first gear, and then we'll work to neutral. Now, let's talk about the startup sequence on a motorcycle. So right now, we also need to talk about these guys, which is your kill switch, which is this red button when it's pushed forward, and your run switch when it's pushed down, right? Like I said before, starting a bike is not like starting a motorcycle is not like starting a car. The key is turned on, the electronics are on. So if I push this button right here, right? See, pushing it, nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. Why? Well, first of all, the clutch wasn't pulled in, and the kickstand is down, right? So what are we going to need to do to start the bike? Okay, so let's say we kick that kickstand up, right? And then hands are on, just on the left handlebar, which does nothing, by the way. Just a hand support. Then we try and start the bike. What happens? Nothing. Why? Again, because the clutch isn't pulled in. We pull in the clutch, and we push down on the throttle. Push down on the starter. Bike starts up. Okay? Cool. Now that we got that, let's talk about just how to turn off the bike from this position real quick. We have two options. The first is, well, we have three technically, but we're only really going to talk about two. First is going to be your kill switch, where I can push this, bike dies. I can put my kickstand down, and if my kickstand is down in first gear, the bike will turn off also. The third option, which no one really does, honestly, is you can just turn the key from here. But I don't want to do that. So right now, just keep it simple. Actually, you guys know how kill switch works. Let me just show you how this works. If you just put the kickstand down, bike turns off, we're good to go. Okay, now let's try something else. Let's try, like what happens if we just let go of the clutch and we have the kickstand up, bike's on, and we just let go of the clutch. What happens? Okay, so kickstand's back up, pull in the clutch, turn on the bike. Now, okay, this is going to happen to a lot of you, okay? I promise it's going to happen to a lot of you, but just be patient, be understanding. It's okay, okay? If you're in this position, you're in first gear, you're not going anywhere, you don't have any throttle added, even if you are on the brakes, doesn't matter, right? If I let go of the clutch while the bike's going 0, the bike stalls. It jumps forward, scares you half to death the first few times, but it's okay. It's just called a stall. That's perfectly normal. Okay? And that's why it's important when you're at 0, you have a good footing so that bike doesn't jump. It's not going to jump far, don't worry. It only moves a few feet, but it does it abruptly, and typically you're not expecting it. And so that's why it can be scary. So let's try this again. And then this time we'll just use the kill switch to try and turn off the bike. Right? So clutch is pulled in. Right? We could just, kickstand's up, we can just push that just like that. Bike turns off, no problems. Okay, so now let's talk about getting started on a motorcycle while we are getting started on a motorcycle from a dead stop. And to do that, we're actually gonna turn this bad boy around so that way we're not just racing downhill. Oh, can we do it? Yes, we can, because we work out our legs. Okay, so right here, let's get back to position number 1, right? Which is going to be bike is in first gear. Ignition's on, electronics are on, kickstands down. To get started, we're going to... Actually, let me do it like this. Let me set it up more properly. Let's talk about getting started on a motorcycle from a dead stop when the bike is off, okay? First things we're always looking for, where's the kickstand? Second thing we're looking for, what gear is it in? If you don't know what gear you're in because you don't have a gear indicator, easiest way to do it, pull in the clutch, kick down. Normally it helps to do it when the bike's on, but whatever. You can also start the bike technically from any gear. You just have to have that clutch pulled in, and typically you're going to have to push down to first in order to avoid a stall without having to fully rip the throttle. I get out of breath talking in this helmet. It gets hot. This jacket is not helping either, but, safety third. So, what are we going to do? To get started on a bike, pull in the clutch, make sure our kickstand's up, pull in the clutch, turn on the bike,